Good morning, everyone. Hope you're all doing okay. This is a quick video to go through your reading task for this week. Before we start, can you identify what type of questions these are using your Vipers knowledge? So the first one says, can you recap the story in a short sentence? The second one says, what colour was the character's hair? And the third one, why do you think the character felt this way? So pause the video and have a think what kind of Vipers question they might be. So hopefully you were able to suss it out. The first one, can you recap the story in a short paragraph, would be a summarised question. So a recap is just the same as a summary, really. I was going to put, can you summarise the story? However, I thought that might be a bit too easy. That's why I put recap. So that's for the first one. The second one, what colour was the character's hair? That would be a retrieval question because you're retrieving a fact from the text. You're not thinking about how a character's feeling or anything. You're just taking out the fact of what colour hair they have. So you're retrieving it from the text. And number 3, why do you think that the character felt this way? That would be inference because you're thinking about a character's feeling. So you might have to look between the lines of the text to work out how they're feeling or why they might be feeling like that. So this week, the layout is a bit different for your reading tasks. You have 2 texts to focus on this week. So Monday, Tuesday, you'll focus on one, and then Wednesday, Thursday, you'll focus on another, and then Friday will be summarised on either text, and there'll be a challenge for you as well. So the first one is called Lost Wallet, and that's just a short passage. So it's a really short piece of text in your new English book on page 92. If you didn't manage to pick up your English book from school, that's absolutely fine. I have put it as a PDF on the website so you can access it through the website as well if you didn't manage to pick up the hard copy of the text. The other one is called Poe and the Alien. So that's a slightly longer story, and that one can be found on the website as well. And as usual, there are some videos of me reading these texts out to you in case you wanted to follow along the reading with me if you struggle a bit with your reading, and those can be found on the website as well. So as it's a bit different this week, your task for each day will be a bit different. Okay, so on Monday, you're going to just have a look at the title of your text, Lost Wallet, and think about what might happen. And then you're going to answer a prediction question. And then you're going to read the passage or the text and write a prediction on what might happen next. All these are on your normal question sheet. I've written it all down on one page for you, so you can print it out if you want to. But each day obviously will be a bit different because there are 2 different texts. On Tuesday, you're going to read Lost Wallet again, just to kind of recap it, and then you'll answer the comprehension questions, which are in the English book on page 93, and it tells you that on the question sheet, which I've also done for you. So you'll answer those in the book. There is one, which is a prediction question, which you would have done on Monday, so you won't need to do that one. Just remember, or else you might be doing extra work. Wednesday, you're going to start your new story, so that's Poe and the Alien, and you're going to answer comprehension questions based on that piece of text. And the questions, there's not one focus on each day for your Vipers skill. They're just going to be a variety of different questions which focus on all of the Vipers skills. So it should be quite straightforward, and I've made sure that I've split them up so that you have 5 on Wednesday and then 5 on Thursday. So Thursday's the same. We'll just maybe reread Poe and the Alien just to recap it, and then you'll answer some more comprehension questions based on your Vipers skills. And then Friday, you can either summarise Poe and the Alien or the Lost Wallet, and then you will complete the challenge. Now, both texts are based on dilemmas this week. Okay, so you're going to have a think about what a dilemma is after you've read each text. And I would like you to think about when you've had a dilemma in your life. And you're going to just write a short paragraph on this about what happened, what the dilemma was, and how it was solved. So, for example, it might be you were in the playground and some of your friends wanted to play with you. However, some other friends wanted to play with you as well. And you might have had to decide who you're going to play with. And you can write about that, and then you're going to write about how you solved it. So the solution might have been that you all played together. Something like that. That's a very simple example, but just to give you an example of what you could write about. And then that's all really. The answers will be uploaded the following day as usual. Remember, they are subjective, so if you have any questions about it or you're not sure, please send Mr. Nugent an email, as he is in charge of the website this week. Enjoy your reading. if you want to go and take a look at your English book now and the questions, and you can start your task for Monday. Enjoy.